Ye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwancho mugereria no marago wa Bwirituria gatano na gatatu uri mutinyi go gatano na kabiri mwaka wa 2025 nomo century abene chinga kichinde igatonegie chinse komigoro ko kwarigania samangana majia ayegeteseni kyao kya bene Ensoko TV na butambe yonkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga ayarabusio ngati ara ngo kwariganeria hasenchirere eyo bwenge. Mwancho mwereria maya nigo toko ya chakabene kurwase county ya Kisii Sebono nigo abarai ao bagenderete kugikeria na kuragi byara bororo amangana abasae usamangana abasae mucyo keumbu asekeria bagote abanga teribuya gusirio bugima bwo monto asoboroso bwegisiasa okorobo boli bwabona nigo kwarure gochi asabasae batumeke chinguru cyabo koraria omorembe na bayigo obetange na mangana aria akoburukania omumenyo obwabo buya.
Tutaete gukana mang'ana akoreka kiumbu amang'ana ario tukoyaragereria asiri etaria Yesu na kimagoteba igo ntutageti amang'ana aria yokuna kuburukania na gosegesa umugusi igo tumanyetekanete buna abantu bomorembe abantu bobomo abantu bamasikania manene nande twariganire karo yomo asogosabere ense yeito na kubuga mono korento bomo
asamalieta nengongoro kwa Honorable Ezekia Ogendi Arasa ninjolio yomo bo kurwanerere kerwe ke kyobo chumbe kya West Mogirango constituency abara ibaite gento kyo kanale ko basaba kitokwenda se ground onde bwensi kero muntu nabwate pati yae ago changia igo kero muntu gachira alia tigato mwali baga otegerera tomotegerere tali tugochaka kurigia bamura twachaka kufuruka aseme kutano igo nabasaye ba minto tiga gotumeka senga kiye tali erenga ki kwachorire gotumeka nabantu aba asokororo koirube no bwate right yo gokani omuntu yo mataina ango nsirie ore teli wiya korora omuntu mine gagoiterigwa amanyinga gosogo goiterio omuntu mine amanyinga komoira bakarira bainse negento gete kyo bakongo sana igo basaye ba minte round yeye akitika torandi omorembe tigatotwara siasa cyo morembe ntotwara siasa cyo korwana cyo goitarania amanyinga
nje father Evans Nyabwari mititi omusasiroti omwane no tenede parish yake kano nje muno omusasiroti na minto twachire gaiga tore familia ya moya Nyasaye no ngembari bakuruta ligenda n'abana b'Nyasaye barenge ase okomenya kwabo sense mbuya to kana manganaria ekera manganaria gusare familia oba gusi oba Nairobi oba Ndonzi igole se familia ya moya Kenya rendo bogima boyo mino na renda ebintu byaba mino ekayoro kuna kukurangirwa wakero yo mwito ngotara torekerase dero ntoro gusi mambindoro Mombasa mambinto kale Doret nabo otorasa ribosani wa maminto anonse stogotara elinde tosika
Mwancho mweria togotigara se county yeyo ya Kisii bono nigo magega oyo gosirmega yo gwikwa bosio obwe ekegambero ne kyombekeria gyo kurwania obokurumi EACC meyense ya Kenya asa omocho yobotumikyo obwa bisi nigo bono munachibi no monene gwegambere ogia Kisii Bernard Omwansa amubwato keire amo yo kabeire monogeri ebwensemo yebunga ya county ya Kisii David Kombo amocho aye yo obotugosejo botumiko obwe chibesa ka kwana ekere kyo munachibi no monene Bernard nigo na ene kiribuna oboene bonde bwensi tibwarengo hasa mocho ayo umwakiri George Murara amo ona Andrew Kombo onigo bono bagikeire okunacho okwo na kobuna kotebanga nigo bono oboene bwaye baberkoba abogikani bwa asenchira yabwene
Republic versus SG 2022 I find that the prosecution has failed to establish a prima facie case against either the first accused or the second accused. Pursuant to Section 210 of the Criminal Procedure Code, I accordingly find that both accused persons have no case to answer and that are hereby acquitted of the charge. The cash bail be released to the depositors as prayed.
Of July 2026, before the Chief Magistrate Court at Kisii, also doubling up as the Anti-Corruption Court at Kisii before Honorable Chief Magistrate Omwanza Bernard. The case that was before the court against Mbaka, the former acting clerk to the Kisii County Assembly, and the former speaker, David Kombo of the Kisii County Assembly, a case under the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act, Section 46, abuse of office. The case has been dismissed after the court having a finding that the prosecution did not prove the charge beyond any reasonable doubt. Or staff of the Anti-Corruption Commission who dramatically arrested him or abducted him from Nairobi and drove him overnight from Nairobi, aligning him in court, disregarding an earlier order from the same court that Mzee presents himself before the court to take a plea for this matter. It is a victory for the legal team that has religiously and diligently prosecuted this matter. The evidence that was presented did not meet the threshold of convicting or finding Mzee to have a case to answer before a court of law. Trumped up judges. The evidential capacity, the documents that were presented did not link the former Speaker Mzee Kombo, or rather they did not bring him near the scene of the same crime that the anti-corruption alleged.
I want to thank my God. I thank God because the truth has at least been brought up. I want to thank my lawyers. The two lawyers did a wonderful job. They did a wonderful job, but at least bringing it before the court that I have never and I will not want to commit any crime.
He's one of the most humble people that I know. He's one of the most religious people that I know. Because I have lived with him, I have seen what he does. All this that was happening in court, which was
na togosika mutuba onu mwancho moyeria ni gobono oyo okorigia ikirugo kibwe chumbe bwensemo yebunge ya Kitutu Chache South Calvin Kenani Omwando nigesokire na komochia ogosogotekene kwa magendero ao ime yebunge iyo no mubunge bwensemeyo gokwana asomo yego yomo wokomwenia omusao yomo asirieta Geoffrey Ondoro Moseti ime yekenyoro kiabochura ewodi ya Kitutu Central. Omwando nigo bono atebire buna mubunge bwensemeyo nigo agenderete kwigora emiradi ejo yekirenti bwino mubungo mukoro obwensemeyo nonye nigo Omwando nigalire ira na sega abolia munyi bensemeyo komochora uno mubunge busibo cholyo bonne bwo mwakogocha ene chikokirania amagendero ao buna asensemeria ayechibara amo onechi skuru echalire ira yogochia korongeya
teba nganje muna mwayure nkoliginde gasi yobo chumbe bwa Kitutu Chache South abantu baracha babiri mambya mwa oyo mago sabekero no yondaho tebe nganje nchara nara ire ngubo kombe ngende mugondo ndeme oyo roje ngorashugurigera oyo bobo kombe nchebono na chirase muri mo ngobo kombe nindo chese kinyambiki abwatira aseito ngende ngetichagore bunabono edoro mukuri wayura maramika manje amacha rose tibuno mujumba macha itango kora bantu nganya bugati nebintu nebinge bunabono mwayiwo umwana ito Dr. Fred Okengo Matiani na aja seito gaiga Kitutu Chache South agacha kuri school wali Nyanguru school yali achete kwegora ingo ya agache tuna Richard Momo Nyonka ekaera pri oruororo oyo ito robono agacha kanyake rangi era agatero bwaga chiri school ekineke maina korera ingonde yedeko batenga ekero to kurire chise mo chinde constituency chinde na kido twarari yanda twakuminga ngibona kegendere tsika muna bono omujumbe onyari bali masaba okoro kumanduku igala koroba 20 cha junior secondary school igala se tontorara a new institution was a building no nyine yemo nchichi akabeiro kwa kuchilangi wose cha rusu kwa mabati cha kwa mabati amabali twata yebwe gasi na endereta ingo ne gasi ne nyinge ntaite kuchikokora na ile tingo twara chinga kie chimbare se chonse lakini nuna abantu ba minto senga kia siaga tingo cha kuchapangere to karansa ni katukwa na mangana
na tugutigana yo mwancho mugire tiga tuske emotwe bono asense moyende yekisemi ase bono aboroki bwa chimia 250 babere ne chimisana emo nigo bono oba ugose nigo bono barangiribwe gochia ase goso ase chi university imeyense ya Kenya ayankorengana ne kiombekeria agie chitendreta mangana ayechisemi imeyense ya Kenya nabo igese batebirenga aboroki bwa bonsi nigo bacho goso ase chi university no nigo korengana no mwaziri bwa chisemi Julius Migoso Gamba nigo aboroki bwa chimia 5 emo ne chimia 5 igo batumita marube yo gochia kwerikia abuna abanyagitari korende chi university nigo chigo chigwanchera go sinigo chigwata mabaga ama chimia 5 ne moka ase abaroke bari achiri bu chimia 5 ne mabaga to gutuma mabagabo yo gochia goswa chinya esikuru buna abanyagitari.
And gentlemen, a total of 293,869 students have been placed to degree, to diploma level 6, to craft certificate level 5 and arts and certificate level 4 programs across tertiary and higher education institutions. Out of these 293,869, 202,133 applicants have been placed to degree programs. 202,133 applicants have been placed to degree programs. Out of those who qualified were 270,508. 28,246 have been placed to KMTC. 500 applicants have been placed to diploma in law, paralegal studies offered at the Kenya School of Law. 765 were placed to Kenya Utalii College, and 875 have been placed in secondary TTC programs.
Mwancho mwele bana tutambuki wika sensemo ye county ya Machakos asa menyi bensemo ya Itimboni ye county ya Machakos baro bakana gukana bororo obwagachi bweke Rwanda byokorosie simiti asensemeyo korengana na baro bweke Rwanda ekyo nigo kegochia gogosareria okosigo kegochigosareria bochenu bwabo amo na magimabo asenge nchonga higo kebwate obobegochia asimonya abantu nigo bono obakande bororo obwagachi bweke Rwanda asensemeyo esa boleriri botenelwe county eyo kiagachi ke Rwanda ekyo asensemenga asekeri niga nsemeyo echira banta bange.
Ile nataka kuuliza ni kwamba wananchi, hata ikiwa uko na shida, unataka kazi, usiwe ukalagaiwa na kuambiwa kwamba kampani ikijengwa utapewa kazi, ndio hata ukakubali kampani ambayo inaweza kukuletea madhara, inakuletea ugonjwa, inakuletea shida zaidi. Hata hiyo pesa utapata hapo ukilipwa, utatumia kwa kutibiwa.
Just the other day on 3rd July, the CCM, Minister for Lands, County Government Machakos, wrote again another affirmation letter to affirm that they suspended this Lambotad Cement Lokenya Limited. So that means the county government is private. The county government is on the side of this community, that this area is highly populated.
Hizi kampuni zote ziko hapa. If vile mwingi anasema atakuja andika ma youth. How many youths are here right now? Hizi kampuni ziko zimeandika watu. Kungekuwa na youth hapa. So on that basis, this is null and void.
Mwancho mwereria chaptoke jideka 14 igore chinsa 10 chiabona marogo banabu nonko wekirege tone mangana magia kurege tseni kyo kyabane gen soko TV marogo bona konde ntara kora litukore goro mwancho mwereria mega ye timu ya Argentina gekro nomo captain Lionel Messi kwenye Rusia na waka isike timu ya Egypt yale kwa nomo captain Mohamed Salah mugosero karbe club keri Liverpool chigoli sato asebere mega yo kurumayaga ye chigoli bere na gobweka chigoli sato timu ya Argentina bona ninge draw ye quarter final ya so kirebene ye kombe World Cup genrete nense area ya Canada, Mexico amo nense area ya USA. Litkoriankyo chinsa isano cha botuko nige timu ya France gekora Kylian Mbappe egochukuma ni timu eri ya Morocco yo kora no magoseri bagose ne timu yemo mo captain Morocco hamwe kemna Hakimi Ziyech chinsa isano cha botuko litkorie chuma chinsa enye cha botuko mwancho mweri timu ya Spain egochukunyerega ni timu eri ya Belgium ekora na baba Romelu Lukaku na baiga Spain egochukora anero magoseri giata ya Mili ya Mali tkorie bokiera chuma mosi mambi chinsa isano ne mo cha botuko nige timu ya Norway ekora wanere Harding Ireland egochukunyerega ni timu ya England iyo kora no captain Harry Kane yagosori rabe nkongu kianda ge kominase kimeno kende kyo mwere kabisa litukelio emambia ye chinse komichamamba litukolie chuma pili timu ya Argentina hijanyiruseti timu ya Egypt niwe gochikosora ne timu area ya Switzerland chinse komichamambia aseba buyibo kurugabo bagochikosoye masayemo weka sense media ye chinse mi final ase komekyo kigochiko mwere mutinyi gachitariki 10 kianda timu atikiambe ule kwenda wikyo mwere mangana maja senchera area yo gwenga muragobonega habarenge mega yemenyoncho gotatiga talionde bwensi igotatiga Kelvin Mogoi tobate Barnabas Ondari nabo igo Deborah Mwenesi nabo igo oyo na botambe manyekene buna Felistas Kabendi bonsi barenge kwene kinga chibicha muna Mariogi agoikere asenchera ere yabatwari tora muragoba osesenirie yonkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga